Hey Lucrative family, today I'm about to show you how you can create an avatar that talks, works and throw out good gesture and all that good stuff, right? Whether you're making content, gaming or just want to impress, this video is for you. Smash the like button, let's get started. It's going to be fun, I promise you that, okay? Head over to ChatGPT and click on this two slash shade by the top left, okay? So once you click on it, click on exploit ChatGPT. Once that is done, it's going to open an interface just like this. On the search bar, type consistent character, okay? So once that is done, you're going to click on this very first one that says consistent character ChatGPT. It's going to load up, okay? Once you are here, click here to start generating character design. Okay, so it's going to ask you, should your character be a male or female? I want my character to be female. I'm just going to type female and I will send it. Okay, so now it's asking me what name do I want to give my character. I want my character name to be Alice. I'll type Alice and I'll click on send. Okay, so now ChatGPT is asking us to describe the way I want Alice to look like. Okay, her hair, her country, her outfit, her personality and all that good stuff. All right, I've already written what I want Alice to look like. I'm just going to paste it here. Feel free to screenshot this if you want to generate the kind of my image, but if you don't want to generate the kind of my image, also feel free to put in the details that you want your character to have: her hair, her country, her skin tone and all of that good stuff. Okay, so once you're okay with what you type in into ChatGPT, just click on send and ChatGPT is going to generate an image that is going to blow your mind. Okay, the generation might take some few minutes or some few seconds depending on the internet connection you have on your device. Okay, so just trust the process and ChatGPT is going to generate the image for you. Okay, and this is the image. Wow, this is exactly how I envision Alice to be. Like everything that I put in, I'm seeing it here on my image. Okay, save the image, just press on the image and click on save and it will be saved to your device. Okay, so as you can see, Alice does not have a background or anything of sort. I'm just going to put another prompt for her to have a background and what I want the background to look like. Okay, and I want the image to be 16 by 9 because I don't want to download this image here. I'll be taking it to another tool to expand it. Make sure you add 16 by 9 if you are creating for YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT has started generating our image. Here is our image. It's really stunning and the image is still consistent, just exactly like the one he created for us previously. Okay, so for you to get this image into your device, just press hold the image and click on save and the image will be downloaded into your device. Okay, so to get to a point when you generate your image, a ChatGPT will tell you that you have gotten to the limit for that day. What you need to do is just for you to tell ChatGPT to describe her as a prompt. Okay, just type here, describe her as a prompt. It's going to describe her as a prompt for you. Okay, so once ChatGPT describe her as a prompt for you, all you need to do is just for you to copy the prompts that ChatGPT have generated for you and take it to any image generation tool that you are familiar with, and it's going to give you exactly the kind of image that ChatGPT has given to you. Okay, now it's time for us to turn our static images into video. Okay, and for that, head over to Alio AI. This is one of the best image to video generation tool out there in my opinion. And one thing I love about this platform is that they give you a 1000 plus credit every single day for you to use to generate your videos. Okay, so once you are here, click on this plus sign and it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface, make sure you are on the video. Okay, so once you click on this video, scroll down and click here. Make sure you are on the second one that says 12V. It's actually the one that gives you the most realistic video. So once that is done, come here and click on this icon for you to upload the image you want to turn into video. Okay, go to your gallery and upload the image here. This part, paste whatever you want your image to do in the video. Okay, this part is what makes your avatar or breaks your avatar. Make sure you make sure you are specific of what you want this image to be doing when it now turns to a video. Do you want the avatar to be working? Do you want to be gesturing? Whatever you want her to do, make sure you put it here. All right, you can feel free to screenshot what I have put in here. Once that is done, just click on this 30 and your image is going to be generated into a video. Our video is done generating, and for you to download it into your device, just click on this arrow here and it will be downloaded to your device. Okay, it's time for us to lip sync our character. I'm going to be using Dreamface. You can see Dreamface app on either Google Store or Play Store. Getting downloaded to your device. Once you are here, click on this video to lip sync. Once you are here, click on this avatar. It will take you to your gallery. Import your avatar here, then click on this voice. I've already have my voice recorded. I'm just going to click on import. Once I click on import, I'll be able to bring in the voice over I've already done with my phone. Feel free to use Dreamface voices if you want to use them, but I want to use mine, so I'll just go and import my voice. Then I'll click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, I'll click on animate, and it's going to lip sync our avatar for us. It's going to take some few seconds, so because it's going to load up to 100. Once that is done, just click here to download your avatar into your device. Okay, for us to remove this watermark, you can either crop it or you go to this app called anti-eraser. Once you are here, click on video object remover and upload your video. Okay, so once your video is being uploaded, you are going to use this eraser to put it in the particular place the watermark is. Just make sure you drag the eraser to the point the watermark is. Okay, so once it's being dragged there, just click on next and it will be downloaded to your device. So that's how you can actually create your talking avatar from A to Z. Okay, let's take a look at the end result. If you are ready to learn how this avatar can make you $200 on a daily basis or even more, you need to be here for the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification because I'm dropping some serious gem and I want you to be at the front row when that happens. For the meantime, the next video that is displayed on your screen right now, click on it for another serious gem.